This is the basic text animation. After loading the scene, let's start our tutorial. Create a new text composition. Enter the text. Change the color of the text according to your preference. Click on Text Animation and select Position. Then add blur. Increase the blur value and the Y value of the position. Keyframe the offset from -100 to +100. Shape selection upslope. Select no spaces and basis. Ease height 100. Add solid layer. Click to hide. Box select the end position of the text. Open mode. Select Template Alpha. Now the text is only displayed in the mask. Create a new main composition. Add a solid color layer as background. Load a texture image as the floor. Add a curve effect. Enable 3D. Lower the curve. Darken the floor color. Rotate the x-axis to align with the ground. Press S to expand the size. Create a 35mm camera. Adjust the view with the camera tool. Double-click the ellipse tool on the floor layer. Increase the feathering. Soften the edges of the floor. Drag in the previous text composition. Turn on 3D. Pull it almost flush with the floor. Duplicate the text composition as the shadow of the text. Rotate the x-axis. Pull to symmetry with the original text. Here you can use the front view for fine alignment. I will skip this step. Add Gaussian blur to the shadow layer. Set to 15. The shadow color we see now looks unnatural. It is caused by AE's rendering order. Create a new adjustment layer. Place it above the floor. The problem is solved. Press T to reduce the opacity of the shadow layer. Duplicate the text layer as the bottom glow point. Use the rectangle tool to frame some areas at the bottom of the text. Rotate the x-axis, face upward and align with the bottom of the original text. Use the camera tool to rotate and check if it's correct. This step doesn't need to be too precise. Just make sure there are no obvious flaws. Add Gaussian blur with a value of 15 to this layer. Change the mode to add. Duplicate another layer with Gaussian blur value 55. Add a curve effect. Select the alpha channel and increase it. Display the layer alone. Fine-tune again. The purpose is to enlarge the glowing outline. Animate the camera with keyframes on A and P for lens movement. Just go by feel here. C is the shortcut to switch to the camera tool. Sometimes the lens rotation may cause clipping. Just adjust it slowly. It's okay. Also press F9 to ease the curve. Task completed.